with yourself as well.
Hindi naman.
This one's for you. Pinipintang aking sigla, ngunit di naman tunay ang tawa. Lagi na lang kailangan ba may gaya? O bakit nasisisi kung ayaw ko na umahon? Takot na akong ako'y nagsarili. Gusto kong bitawan ang peking mukha. If I'm being honest, I've been lying my whole life. If I'm being honest, I've been two-faced in most times. If I'm being honest, I've been lying the whole time. If I'm being honest, I've been lying my whole life. I've been lying my whole life. I've been lying my whole life. I want y'all to be honest with yourselves. Ngayon nakahiga sa sahig, with all these voices capture my head. Bakit ba lagi na lang gusto mo busin? Kahit walang ginawa, kundi ang sabihin. Di na naman tabi sa sarili. So please, say what happened to get out of this mess? The pressure and the stress, honestly God, I need somebody to hold my hand. Bago nasa pagkukulay. You know, this has been my fourth time performing this on my concert. And you guys are the last stop for the Lost and Found album. But everything still feels new. And everything still feels really raw. And I am still hurting inside. There were times that I've been always pleasing people every day. Na parang, ganito ba talaga dapat tayo mamuhay? Ganito ba yung araw-araw, gigising ka? Tapos, afraid ka na baka ma-judge ka ulit. For that day, nahaharap ako sa camera. Na Josh Cullen, hindi nakapag-aral, hindi namuhay ng normal. Anong malay mo sa mundo? Bakit ako laging kine-question ng mga tao? Sa totoo lang, wala naman nagturo sa akin paano mamuhay. Wala namang manual ang mundo, di ba? Wala namang manual ang buhay. Pero right here, right now, I want y'all to know that I'm gonna be honest with all of you. I'm gonna show the Josh Cullen. If I'm being honest, yeah, I've been lying my whole life. If I'm being